really excited to talk about a brand new product from SkinCeuticals. This is the new Tripeptide-R Neck Repair Serum. We are really excited. The skin around the neck and the décolleté is, for a lot of us, sort of a neglected zone. The skin on the neck and décolleté is actually as thin as the skin around the eye. It can be some of the first skin to show signs of damage from sun and exposure. I know after kind of a long summer outside and running around, I'm starting to feel like I can notice a little bit of a texture change here, some freckling here from some damage that I've done. But I'm really excited for the Tripeptide-R Neck Serum because it is going to treat all of that and more. It has a 0.2% retinol to address cell turnover and sun damage. It has fantastic moisturizers to help heal the areas that we may have done a little bit of damage to over the course of the season. And it's going to really help address any of those kind of fine lines, those horizontal lines we get from looking down at our devices, and just for overall tone. Because of course, as long as possible, we want our faces to match our necks and décolleté. So, brand new product, fantastic results, can be used both morning and night. Come check it out.